Hey guys, in today's video, let's see about an interesting thing in Lepakshi. Lepakshi is world renowned for its hanging pillar, the monolith Nandi, and the mighty Shivling. I will be posting about them shortly, so click on the subscribe button to be updated. But today, we will be seeing about a neglected treasure in the Veerabhadra temple itself. We can find it in the outer mandapa that surrounds the temple in the second prahara, in a particular place opposite to the unfinished Kalyana Mandapa. It is a compass that was used by the architects in the 16th century. These peculiar markings here is engraved in a shallow pit which is about the size of your palm and about 2 to 3 centimeters deep. In the center, we can see a triangle which is divided into 6 parts. There are also markings of a circle and a crescent shape which are adjacent to it. You might ask, how does these make it a compass? So now let's see how it works to understand it deeply. First, when there were no markings made in this, to find the direction, they would have filled this depression with water. Now, they would have left a magnetic needle float on the surface of the water. This magnetic needle will automatically show the north-south direction. This is the same principle that we use in our present-day compass. This is the compass from my phone. See how perfect the markings are. Even the tilt to about 2 to 3 degrees is perfectly aligned. Vijayanagara Empire had close relationship with the Chinese. We can even see sculptures of Chinese people in the same Prahara Mandapa. Did the Vijayanagara people learn to use magnetic needles to find directions from the Chinese, or did they find it themselves? Since Chinese had trade links through sea routes, they excelled in navigation through sea. There are high chances of that they might have brought in the practice of using compass in India. Since they needed this direction for a longer time period, they carved the direction permanently on the base of it. To depict east and west, symbols of sun and moon are carved respectively on each sides. We don't know what the two lines which divide the triangle mean. Do comment if you know. This compass is located directly in front of Kalyana Mandapa, which is unfinished. So this particular place would have been the regular seating space of the architect or the Sthapati who designed the Kalyana Mandapa. He would have sat there and passed commands while he supervised the construction work that was happening there. Adding as a proof, we can also see a small hole near the compass which would have been used as an ink pot. Do have a look at it when you visit Lepakshi. I have posted the exact location of the compass in our Instagram page. The link has been provided in our home page. Subscribe to our channel to get regular updates since there are more interesting videos coming up. Till then, this is Sarvesh signing off from you.